If you're only using one form of Tapotement, you're missing out on some powerful tools. My name is Beth, and I am the president of Cantado Wellness. And today, it's Technique Tuesday. So let's talk about some different Tapotement techniques that you can utilize. Now, when do you use Tapotement? You can use it over a clothed client. You can use it to cause a vibrational effect. So if you've got really dense tissue that you're having trouble kind of getting to loosen up, those vibrational techniques can be helpful. You can also do it to sort of enliven the nervous system. So a lot of people use Tapotement at the end of their sessions. So there's 5 kind of different tools that we use. The first one are kind of your fingers. So we call that tapping. So I'm just using my fingers as I do this. And notice that my wrist stays really loose. With all of these Tapotement techniques, your wrist is going to stay loose and kind of bounce. Now, the next one is slapping. So you're going to use your fingers here, like this. You get more of a sound this way, which is kind of fun. The one that makes the most noise, though, is cupping. So with cupping, you're going to kind of make a little cup in your hand, and it's going to make a nice popping sound on your client. Now, this is what respiratory therapists use. If you've got somebody with respiratory distress or respiratory issues, I would not use that technique unless you're further trained. So next we've got hacking, which is kind of, the one you see in the movies where they're karate chopping on someone's back. Make sure, again, your wrists are really loose and your fingers are loose and everything is kind of bouncing. And then the final one they call beating. I didn't name it. So we're going to use an open fist. So we're not going to ball our hands up like this. We're going to just loosen up our fist and again, bounce with our fist as we go. All right, so next session, I want you to give these techniques a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for listening.